Does your home phone screen look like this right now? But you want your home screen to look something like this? Then you're in luck, because in this video, I'm going to show you in detail how to customize your phone to make it very aesthetic. I actually customized my phone a few months ago, and since then, so many of you have been asking me how I customized it. I make short form tech content, but customizing the phone would not fit within 60 seconds. And that's why I decided to make this long video so I can show you step by step on how I customized my phone. So let's get right into it. As a disclaimer, I did not come up with this design, but I did find all the necessary icons and pictures for this to work out. So yeah, I'm fully aware that someone else could have this design on their phone. We're gonna first start with customizing our pink apps. I'm going to screen share on the side so you can see exactly what I do. So what you need to do is actually find the icons that you wanna use for your apps. To do that, we're gonna go to Pinterest. Then you're gonna want to go to search and search up pink aesthetic app icons. As you can see, it gives you a bunch of apps, and whichever icon you like, maybe you like the settings icon, you're gonna click on it and then go to 3 dots and then download image. Make sure you download all the icons that you need first before you customize your apps. Then the next thing that you're gonna wanna do is go to the App Store and then download shortcuts. All the apps that I'm gonna be sharing with you in this video are free, so don't worry. So I just moved my OG settings icon to my home screen just to show you the process of how you're gonna do it. So now go to shortcuts. Now that we're on shortcuts, we're gonna customize our apps. So we're gonna press on plus, then you're gonna open app, and then you're gonna hit app, and then search up settings. From here, you're not gonna press on done. Actually, you're gonna go to this button right here. And then the second option says add to home screen, so that's what we're gonna do. This window will pop up, and the first thing that we're gonna do is rename our app. So we're gonna name it settings. Then you're gonna want to go to this image icon. Since you already saved the icons off of Pinterest, you're gonna go to choose photo, and then you're gonna click on it and then choose. And once you have this, you're gonna hit add. And that's it, you have your app. And now if you want to remove the OG app, you're going to long press on it, then remove app, then remove from home screen. The one thing that a lot of people struggle with is that when they do their first app, then they go back to shortcuts, then they wanna create another app, so they're gonna remove this. And then what they think is that they have to only just press on this and then choose another app. That's false. Don't do that. Instead, what you're gonna do is you're gonna leave this alone and actually hit done right here. And then to customize your other apps, you're going to have to go to plus again, and then open app, and then hit app, and then just do the whole process over again. Just make sure that you create a new shortcut every time you customize an app. Because if you don't create new shortcuts every time you customize an app, what happens is that if you customize the settings app as your last app, but then you customized all these other apps before that, and then if you click any other app before you customize the settings app, all of these apps are gonna be settings. And that happens because you're editing the same shortcut. You're not creating a new shortcut. So please don't make that mistake, because you're gonna waste a lot of hours. I did that. So now let's move on and customize our widgets like these. We're not gonna talk about the top one yet. So I have these cute widgets on 2 of my screens. They're the calendar widgets. For that, we're gonna have to go to App Store again and download Widgetsmith. Again, this app is free, so just download it and open it. So as you can see, I have already customized a few widgets, but to show you how I customize them, first, you have to look at small widgets. I have 2 small widgets. So I'm going to scroll down and then press on add small widget. Then from here, it gives you so many options that you can choose from. It doesn't really have to be a calendar. It could be something about weather, or it could be photos too. But just for the sake of this video, I'm going to go to calendar and then just choose this one. Then from here, we're gonna go to theme. And then from here, you're gonna find the theme that you want. For example, if I scroll down, this is the one that I use. It's called powder. So I just click on it and then hit save. Make sure you remember the name of your widget, because this is important. Mine is called small 7. So I'm gonna go back to the home screen, and then I'm gonna go to the new screen. I'm gonna long press on the screen. Then I'm going to hit on edit at the top left and then add widget. From here, I'm gonna search up Widgetsmith right there. Just so you remember, we did a small widget. We don't need medium or large for now. So I'm going to add widget here. Then once the widget is added, you're gonna click on it, then go to this small 6, and then you're gonna choose the widget that you just created. So for me, it's small 7. I'm going to hit that and then hit on the home screen again, and there you have it. Again, this widget and this widget is created in Widgetsmith the same way that I just showed you. To create a medium widget like this, I'm also going to show you how to do that. We're going to go back to Widgetsmith, and then we're gonna scroll down until we see medium widgets. Then we're gonna add medium widget, and then it's gonna again show us a lot of options. Again, you can add your own photos, you can add your own text in here, you can add music if you want, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use the calendar version again. So I'm gonna scroll down and just choose this, and then go to theme. Then I'm going to scroll down and then find that powder again, and then hit that and then save. Again, we're gonna have to remember the name. It's medium number 3. So we're gonna go to our home screen, long press, edit, add widget, search up Widgetsmith, and then go to medium, add widget. Then you're gonna click on that, go to medium 2, and then medium 3. So it does the exact one that you want. And that's how you do your widgets on Widgetsmith. Again, you don't have to do the ones that I did because I only did calendars. I thought that they were really cute. You can basically customize your phone any way that you want. So now I'm gonna show you how I added this medium widget on the top of my home screen. You're again gonna have to go and download an app on the App Store. It's called Motivation. This is how it looks. It tells me that I need to update it, but honestly, I won't update it. So just download it and then open it. It's going to tell you to subscribe, but you don't have to just skip all the subscriptions and whatever else that it tells you to pay for. It's a free app if you don't want to pay for it. I can't show you exactly how I got to this point because it's not letting me start it all over again. But basically this app is gonna ask you what your mood is, how you're feeling today, or what motivational quotes you want to see on your phone. And once you answer all of that, it's going to bring you to this type of screen. It's not going to be pink right away, so you're gonna want to customize it. So to do that, you're gonna have to go to this little icon, and then you're gonna want to customize it from here. You can add your own color. You don't have to pay for any of the themes. You can literally just like pick a color, like a pink, blush pink, and then add it to your quotes. For this, you don't have to really create a widget. All you have to do is just press on the home screen and then go to edit again, add widget, and then just look up motivation. You're gonna have a small widget, a medium, or a large. Again, I'm gonna just show you what I did with the medium widget, and then this is how it adds. Last but not least, I'm gonna show you how to add this photos widget on your phone. So if I click on this photos widget right now, as you can see, all of these photos are very aesthetic and in the aesthetic of my home screen. They're like very pink. So to do that, you're gonna have to go to Pinterest and then just search up pink aesthetic photos. And as you can see, it gave us a lot of pink aesthetic pictures. You're gonna do the same thing as we did with the icons. When we downloaded them, you're gonna hit on the picture, then hit on the 3 dots, and then download image. And once you downloaded your pictures off of Pinterest, let's say you downloaded 10 pictures, then you go and create an album in your Photos app. I'm pretty sure you already know how to create an album, so I'm not gonna show it to you, but make sure you name it because it's gonna be easier for you to find it. Then once you've created that album with your pictures, all you have to do is go to your home screen again, long press it, edit, add widget. This is getting very repetitive, I know, but we're almost finished. So you're gonna search widgets and then you're gonna search photos. So as you know, I chose a small widget for the photos as well, but I'm not gonna choose the first option because as it says, it's featured photos. So it's gonna give you like a bunch of different photos that are featured in your Photos app. We don't want that, we want the album to be featured on our home screen. So we're going to slide down until we see albums. So from here, as you can see, it says album and it's a small widget, so we're gonna add widget. Then we're gonna press on it and then choose album. Here you will see all of your albums, so mine is called Aesthetic. I'm going to choose that, and then I'm going to hit on the home screen again, and here you have it. And that's it. That's how I customized my phone. It's very easy, it's free, and it looks beautiful. But before we finish off, a lot of you have also asked me about my lock screen picture. I actually generated this picture with AI. Just look how cool this part is. Look at the time, and then when I hit on my screen, the bird comes right in front of the time. I actually don't know how that worked out, but I think it's so cool. And because a lot of you wanted to have the same lock screen as me, I'm going to just show it to you here so you can take a screenshot and then put it on your home screen. And also put it on your home screen too, because look how it looks blurred out with my apps. So cute. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment. And also let me know if you want to see how I customized my iPad and my MacBook. The process is a little bit different, so I would love to make a video on them too. I hope you have a great day or night, and I'll see you in my next video.